You need to just keep watching Bisi Ologe. Ẹ̀yin náà mọ̀ wípé ètò tó máa ń gbé àwọn èèyàn jàǹkànjàǹkàn wá ni, ètò tó máa ń mú àwọn èèyàn jàǹkàn wá bá yín ni. Don't change that.
More ushers. 71. I need my ushers to please come back quickly. Ushers. Please, I need my escort. 94. Please hold on. Everybody will sit down, please. 51. 51. I need more ushers at the entrance. Please hold on. Need more of my darling ushers at the entrance. Quickly. Let's start with 48. I need 2 chairs. 2 chairs. Please, if you have Kubis or mates on your 48 or 49. If you have mates or Kubis on your more ushers at the entrance to escort guests. Instructions from above. Thank you so much. Instructions from above. Thank you very much. Everywhere is VIP. Everywhere. If you are in this venue, you are VIP. If you are in this venue, you are very important. You are loved. Everybody will be well taken care of. Everyone. Please, if you have Kubis or mates on your card, Okay, usher for table 12. I need my drinks on the table. Table
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.